Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about Tropical Storm Nana. 50 mile per hour, and yeah, so 50 mile per hour is moving west at 18 miles per hour, 1002 millibars, and 29.59 inches, 110 miles, 175 kilometers south of Negril, Jamaica, 650 miles, 1,045 kilometers east of Brazil City, 16.7 north, 78.4 west. I will be doing a live stream whenever this storm makes landfall. The Recon aircraft find Tropical Storm Nana getting a little bit more organized. Not a lot, just a little. Not much. So this is the Recon. We saw some winds of about 64, but those are very weak gusts. As we see, this storm has now moved since the Recon. And then we have around definitely tropical storm force winds. So they are through with that. Summary of watches and warnings in effect. A tropical storm watch is in effect for northern Honduras, Futan Island, and the Bay of Honduras and Belize. Hazards affecting land. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch areas by late Wednesday. Storm surge. A dangerous storm surge will raise water levels by as much as 3 to 5 feet above normal tide levels along the immediate coast and to the north of where the center makes landfall, the northeast. Near the coast, the storms will be occupied by large and destructive waves. Wind. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch areas by late Wednesday. Rainfall. Nana is supposed to produce rainfall accumulations of 2 to 4 inches across northern Honduras, Belize, and southeast portion of the Mexican state of Quintana Roo. Surf swells generated by the system are affecting portions of the southern coast of Jamaica and will continue into Monday morning. These swells are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. Please consult predictions from your local weather office. Also, one thing, I will say this at the end of the video, not now. Next advisory is at 5 p.m. EDT. The key messages for Tropical Storm Nana. Tropical Storm Nana. I don't know. I'll just say Nana or Nana. Whatever comes out of my mouth comes out of my mouth. It's Nana or Nana. Tropical Storm Nana is forecast to become a hurricane as it approaches the coast, and interest in Honduras, Guatemala, Belize, and Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico, should closely monitor the progress of this storm. Strong winds, dangerous storm surge, and heavy rainfall causing flash flooding are becoming more likely from Nana. I just want to say one thing, this storm could. We hope not, but it could. Become hurricane, but it could become Hurricane Stan, which would be very bad. Impacted the exact same spot Hurricane Stan. We hope not. 2005. So the tropical storm force possibilities right now, the highest portion of the Bay Island of Honduras and Belize at about 10 to 20, not 10. What am I saying? 40 to 60. And Jamaica is not really in the bulk of this storm, so doesn't really mean much. So Honduras, the Bay Islands of Honduras, is around 30 to 20%. And of course, all these possibilities will be getting higher. And then we actually have some hurricane force wind probabilities for the Bay of Honduras, the Bay Islands of Honduras. So the earliest reasonable arrival time frame of tropical storm force winds. Well, Jamaica is right now, starting from Nicaragua. From Nicaragua all the way to Belize, or to the border of Belize and Honduras, if there was, like right on that line, is from Wednesday 2 a.m. to Wednesday 8 p.m. Also, add Mexico within that, like portions of the Yucatan Peninsula, and then Wednesday into Thursday 8 p.m. So 12 hours it's supposed to just pass on by. So this is the this is the enhanced IR radar, or the IR radar. As we see, there are some storms over Jamaica, over eastern Jamaica. Let's see the visible loop. Can't really see a defined circulation. You can see more on the higher top clouds, but can't really see it. Maybe like right there is where the eye is, like right here, but can't really see it. Now we are going into the Mensajes, Claves, Sobre, Tormenta tropical, Nana. Ahora se pronostica que la tormenta tropical Nana se huracán a medida que se acerque a la costa, y los intereses en Honduras, Guatemala, Belice y Yucatán deben seguir de cerca el progreso de esta tormenta. Vientos fuertes, marejada ciclónica peligrosa y lluvia muy fuerte que podría causar inundaciones repentinas se están volviendo muy probables con Nana. So that is the Spanish version of the key messages. But guys, I think I have to end it here. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I create another video. Make sure to go check out my space channel, because a launch is coming up at around 9 o'clock EST. It is the Vega launch for Arian space. And bye and stay safe. Stay safe